In a sensational twist to the Pune Porsche horror, the accused doctor and one of the prime accused in the case has now admitted to getting a call from a public representative. Dr. Ajay Taware is already in custody for tampering with the blood sample of the accused minor. And according to sources, the arrested doctor has now warned that he will not sit quiet and has dared to reveal more names. The fresh revelation comes as the role of NCP MLA Sunil Tingre of the Ajit Pawar camp is under the lens in the entire case. Meanwhile, the Maharashtra Medical Council has also issued a notice to both of the arrested doctors. The doctor's body has sought an explanation, documents and evidence related to the blood sampling fraud from the doctors. And also, according to sources, the employees of the blood test department of the Sassoon Hospital will also be questioned. Now, the Maharashtra government has also formed a 3-member committee to probe the irregularities and alleged cover-up by the Sassoon Hospital in the Pune Porsche case.
उन्होंने ये समिति की गठन की है जिसमें मैं हूँ, डॉक्टर गजानन चौहान और डॉक्टर चौधरी छत्रपति संभाजी नगर से। वो आने वाले हैं अभी थोड़ी देर में। और कल्याणी नगर इंसिडेंट के रिलेटेड ससून हॉस्पिटल में जो घटना घटी है उसकी हमें तफ्तीश करनी है कि वो नियम के अनुसार हुआ है कि नहीं, और वही जो उसका रिपोर्ट है वो हम गवर्नमेंट को सबमिट करेंगे।
Now we're crossing over to my colleague Abhishek to get us more on this. Abhishek, there seems to be quite a bit of chaos when it comes to the doctors who had tampered with the blood reports. Tell us about what's happening within the NCP camp.
Definitely, you can clearly see, there are two angles to it. Entire investigation is going on at every level, and police is investigating the 3 FIRs that has been registered, wherein doctors have been arrested, the family members have been arrested. On the other side, we have political angle where we see how the Congress is demanding CBI probe into it, whereas Devendra Fadnavis defending Pune police that all the necessary steps are taken into account. In fact, the medical education department has also sent an inquiry team headed by Pallavi Saple, the Dean of JJ College, along with the 2 members, who we can see is investigating and inquiring about the details from the Sassoon Hospital. So, at every level, we can see things are into motion at this given point of time. Police is investigating into all angles. The administration, in fact, the medical education department, also the Maharashtra Doctors Council has issued a so-called notice to both the doctors, who have to reply within 7 days that what they did and what is the reason behind them being booked in such a heinous, or you can say in such a crime where corruption is involved and where you have taken bribe to change the blood sample. So definitely, Maharashtra government also probing, Pune police is also probing. There are political allegations versus counter allegations being leveled. Whether it will be transferred to CBI is something we are closely monitoring. But a lot of development today expected by the Pune police, because both the father and the grandfather will be produced before the court. Police will seek custody of the father again in the next case of kidnapping, and the grandfather custody ends today. So a lot of development as far as this case is concerned. We will bring all the latest to our viewers as the development comes ahead. Back to you.
Absolutely. Abhishek, do stay with us. My colleague Shrishti had spoken to the Maharashtra Medical Education Minister Hassan Mushrif regarding the ongoing probe. Listen in.
In Sassoon Hospital, they changed the blood samples. How do you look at this? You are a medical education minister, sir.
इसके पहले ही मैंने अभी मुलाकात की थी कि उनको हम समिति नियुक्त करेंगे और वो दोषी ठहरते हैं तो उनको हम बरतरफ करेंगे।
सर, आपके पार्टी के एक एमएलए है, उनके ऊपर आरोप लग रहा है कि कवर अप हो रहा है, और अभी आपका जो डिपार्टमेंट है उनके तरफ से लैप्सेस है। कैसे देखते हैं इस चीज को? क्यों ऐसी बातें सामने आ रही है?
सब झूठ है।
क्यों अजीत पवार फैक्शन एमएलएस के नाम आ रहे हैं सर सामने? क्या लगता है?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता कोई एमएलए हमारा होगा।
सुनील टिंगरे का नाम आ रहा है सर?
नहीं, मुझे मालूम नहीं, लेकिन मैं तो प्रदेश गया था, मैं आज ही आया हूँ।
सर, पर 2 डॉक्टर्स जो है उन्होंने सैंपल्स चेंज किए हैं। बहुत बड़ा लैप्स है इस केस में, 2 लोगों की जान गई है। सेंसिटिव नहीं लगता है आपको?
नहीं, अभी तो उनको बरतरफ करना चाहिए, उनको बरतरफ करना चाहिए, हम करेंगे।
आप उनको एक्सपेल करेंगे, सस्पेंड करेंगे?
100%।